everyone, welcome to A Touch of Glam. My name is Leia and I'm so glad to have you here. I hope you're all having an amazing day or night. I am so excited to share today's video of the major updates we have done to our home outdoor. Painting our whole exterior of our home has always been big in our to-do list and we couldn't be more happier with the way it turned out. Of course, with the new exterior paint, we also wanted to change the rocks and landscape to match the new painted look. To begin our major exterior update, we had to start from the roof. We had our solar panels installed a while now and I wish someone had told us how vital it is to make sure to have your panels bird-proof before even signing the contract to have it installed. I am simply sharing this to give you ideas as to what to expect and how to protect your investment by simply adding the bird screens to your panels and also having a general roof and solar panel cleaning as we start our exterior update. Before we continue with the rest of the video, this video is in collaboration with XMCOSY. Lighting in our home is one of the biggest factors for us in creating a modern look to our home. XMCOSY has provided us the exact type of lighting we love with these smart porch wall lights in their double-headed 350 degrees rotating design and in their solid rectangle light fixture. With its smart control, controlling this exterior lighting fixtures through their XMCOSY app couldn't be more easier. With features such as timers, schedules, plans, separate controls, and crew controls, you can easily customize and automate your outdoor sconce lighting via just a phone. The app also offers functions like dusk to dawn mode for a smarter lighting experience. It also has a voice support via Google Assistant and Alexa for more convenience. We love how extremely easy it was to install these lights that is designed to fit a standard electrical box and hardwired, which all accessories are all provided for proper installation. This wall light is also weather resistant and waterproof. With its super bright wall illumination that offers a high brightness of 2100 lumens and have 3 emitting sides from the upper, lower, and front, creating a wider illumination range, this outdoor wall lights has lighting effects that includes brightness and color adjustments in which you can simply increase and decrease the brightness and select different colors in the app. Our most favorite feature of this lights is how it can be used year-round and its multiple usage scenarios for all the holiday lighting effects, and you can also create a custom light scene through their app. We love the uniqueness and versatile functionality of this light fixtures that makes it super easy for us to use and customize while providing the perfect brightness for the modern outdoor lighting system we need to our home. XMCOSY has also sent us their acrylic bulb smart string lights that is color changing for our backyard for the perfect relaxing ambience, added to our dining area for our outdoor living. This outdoor string lights offer millions of colors to choose from, allowing full customizations to match any mood or occasion. DIY options to create unique lighting scenes by adjusting colors and effects to suit your style through the app. There are different variations of dynamic presets that are available for you using the app on your phone, in which you can change the theme color of the bulbs. Just like the wall lights for our front porch, you can also control these string lights through your Google and Alexa voice commands. These string lights are built to endure all weather as it is a waterproofing and durable shatterproof acrylic design, ensuring long-lasting performance even in tough environments. If you are interested in these products, I will provide for you XMCOSY's infos and links on the description box below. Thank you XMCOSY for sponsoring part of this video. Now on to the rest of the home updates. We love the modern curve appeal of our new exterior home updates and we are so excited to share with you in the process and steps that took us in this whole makeover in hopes to give you ideas and inspiration if you're also in the process or are thinking of also updating your home exterior paint and front landscaping. I truly hope you enjoy and get tons of ideas and inspirations in how to update your exterior home with everything that we will share. Please continue watching till the end to see the whole process for this makeover. Thank you so much for being here and we hope you enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed and were able to get tons of ideas and inspiration and how to also update your home with everything we have shared. If you did, please kindly give this video a huge thumbs up. I'd sincerely love and appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night. Till the next video, God bless you all abundantly. Bye!